peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you for joining. Thanks for watching. Continue for support. Yeah, big up all Massive and Crow. Yeah, we're going. Today we're going to do a freestyle soup session. Anything we catch, we throw it in the pot. You see me I say? So guess what? Stay tuned and watch you coming in your dining room. See you there. Alright, this is how we are working with now. You see that potter? The potter older than me now. See me I say? And we'll start off with some water in a reach half it. You understand? Just little below half. Right? But don't remember the size of the pot. But anyway, we're gonna deal with some corn, some carrot, some salt, some black pepper, some cilantro, some cayenne pepper, garlic powder, paprika. You understand? We have organic oregano, pimento. We have some chopped garlic there, sir. We have a tomato. And guess what? We have a cock soup. So nobody talk about why for that. You see me I say? Okra. Right? Some thyme. Some flour. Some scotch bonnet pepper. You understand? Yellow yam. Dasheen. Pumpkin. Gungo and one next set of peas. I don't remember what the peas are named, but big up to Father Baz will give me them peas off I'm farm. Yeah man, so I'm going to drop them in the soup. Right? I say the pumpkin already. Alright. And a piece of white yam. You know what I say? So as I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it unique. So stay tuned and watch it. First thing I'm going to add to the water is the salt. Use a judgment. Freestyle. This how the peas them look. I'll throw this in there too. Let this go and cook before I add nothing else. Cover that, make that go and cook, you know. Yellow yam. Put in the yellow yam in it. This is the Jamaican dasheen. We deal with it matter proper. This kinda take longer to cook like the yellow yam. So you put these in first with the peas. And these type of peas don't take long to cook. So just trust the process. See there? Dasheen in a pot now, you know. Put piece of pumpkin in it. Right. Yep, a doodly shoodly. So let's take one. And you know you can replant them seed there once you have the land space. And I don't like to cut off the skin off of my pumpkin, you know, especially when I'm doing soup. So I washed it properly, and I'm just gonna cut it like this. Alright. Pumpkin time, you know. This is so easy to cook. I'm just gonna peel it and put it aside until the last minute, couple minutes before the pot finish. Put it in because I don't want it to mash out. But I'm just gonna do it right now and set it aside. Okay? Let's do this. Alright, so 2 carrot I'm gonna do. You understand? Two can. Corn and carrot in the pot. It's a tomato here, right in the pot. Mash out tonight, isn't it? Right, see it there? I'm going to add some okra, add some garlic. I'm going to add a piece of thyme. See this? Few pimento seed. We'll crush it out, you see me? See it? Powder that out, you know. Some paprika. Some oregano, not too much. Garlic powder, as usual. Cayenne pepper. What them call bird pepper. Little bit of cilantro. Some black pepper. And see it there? Drop that in it. 1 pack of cock soup. Them soap here make you strong like a lion. Me a piece of chocho, me a put it in it. Scotchy, added flavor. You ever hear about spoon drop dumpling it? Real old school style, you know, spoon drop dumpling. Some of them little young people, they don't know them things, you know. So we gotta take them to school. See, I almost make it kind of soft and not too hard. You understand? So, watch the ride. Alright, I'm gonna deal with the spoon dropping now. Almost like them Chinese dumpling there. Real old school style, you know. Things where you go come see your grandparents, them do. And trust me, it tastes good. Add a few pieces of the white yam because this almost finished cook. Just 4 pieces may I put in it. It's rich, you know, rich. Vegan delight. Vegan soap. Some call it sip. You know my style, I love my soap. Follow no new trend, you know. See me I say? Nah, change up nothing for nobody. Real vegan, natural. Work it in, you know? Yeah, man. Alright, this is finished. So what I say? Here you have it. And this is it. Yeah, man. Nice and rich. See it? A spoon drop them. See that? Okra and all them thing there. Yam. I'm a can the runner, so. Yeah. Just like that. Piece of pumpkin. Yeah, man, that's what the thing said. full joy, you know? Yeah, man. So we got taste. Proper dapper snapper. Spoon drop them in. You don't have to have meat, you know, for food nice, you know. Just natural. Vegetable, fruits, and spices. So peace, love, light, and healing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Like, share, and guess what? Subscribe if you want to subscribe. But watch the video to the end. Saying so, enough love and stay healthy. Alright?